This is the iFeature white rack. iFeature white rack makes everything white without phase issues. Test number 1, 808. The 808 has some stereo information. You can get rid of it or can leave it. I would say we just leave it and just go with the white mode. Even if you remove it, you can create some great stereoness. You can add a little bit of dispersion for the sides to make it sounds a little bit more interesting. Turn with the phase if you don't like the stereo information. Test number 2. We have a bass without stereo information. And now make it white. Disperser on. Fuck with the phase. With the stereo information. Without disperse. Fuck with the phase. Test number 3. A kick. With the white. With disperse. With the phase. Without stereo. Phase. Disperse. Test 4. Snare. With the white. Disperse. Fuck with the phase. Now we make it mono and use the white. Disperse. Phase. This will be available on Patreon. Full video to break this down on my Patreon too.